easy here. For this blanket, you can use any yarn you have and any colors you have or want. It is a pretty easy pattern. It's a repeat of 2 rows, and we start with a chain, any number of chains. You measure your blanket length, and that's how many you chain. And now in the description box you will find different sizes for different type of blankets, so you can pick the size you would like and make a chain. Make that chain loose because you don't want one edge of the blanket to bunch up. So once you have the desired length, the first row is extended double crochets. So skipping 3 stitches from the beginning or from the hook, 1, 2, 3, into the 4th chain, yarn over 1 time, go into the chain, and I'm picking the top strands of the chain, yarn over, pull 1 time, yarn over and pull through the first loop only, and now yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, and this is your first extended double crochet. We keep repeating that till the end of the row. And one more time, yarn over 1 time, go through the chain, pull a stitch through your chain, yarn over 1 time through the first loop only, yarn over 1 time through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. So that is our extended double crochet, and we keep going till the end of the row. So once we reach till the end, we chain 1, and this is our turning chain, and then we turn over. So now into each stitch we made, we will be doing just a row of single crochets, and we will be going into the first one here, into that first stitch. So just a single crochet, pull through both loops, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through your new loop, and go through the next 2 loops. And one more time, go through your stitch, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, and pull through the both loops on your hook. And we go till the end of the row, and making sure we don't miss that last chain, which we count as an extended double crochet. And I'll meet you there. So here I am at the last stitch, and I did the last single crochet here. However, here is my chain from the previous row that I counted as an extended double crochet. So making sure that I go into that last chain, I'll do 1 more single crochet there. This way we are making sure we do not miss that last stitch, otherwise our blanket will get narrower. So now we can turn and start our new row. So this is the second row of the repeat, and we are going back again to the first row that we'll be doing extended double crochets. So here we go, we chain 3, and we go not into that first loop that we see here, into that first space. We don't go there because we already have a stitch. That we count this chain as an extended double crochet, so we'll be doing extended double crochet starting from that stitch over here. So we go into that stitch, we yarn over, pull through the first loop only, and then yarn over through the next 2 loops and yarn over through the next 2 loops, and we keep going till the end of the row, and we keep repeating those first 2 rows till the end and till the size we want to do, and we end up with the row of extended double crochets. So your last row will be a row of extended double crochets. And that's all for this pattern. It's pretty beginner friendly, and I wish you good luck. Make sure you watch the next video, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.